It's Tuesday na naman mga karils. So for today, I will be preparing an Arabic recipe called fasolya. Ang una dyan is magisa tayo ng onions and then garlic. And usually when I saute onions and garlic, I put black pepper already with a little bit of salt and follow it with fresh tomatoes. Actually ito, madali lang to siyang gawin. Wala siyang masyadong procedure na susundin. And then, ito ay nagpakulo na ako kanina ng oxtail ang gamit ko ditong karne. So, pag nagpakulo po ako ng karne, yung unang sabaw po ng pinakuluan ko, tinatapon ko po kasi nandoon lahat ng grease. And then, I will put another water for the second pakulo. Yun po yung gagamitin kong pang sabaw mamaya. So, dito, ginigisa na natin yung karne kasama ng ating kamatis at yung ating onions and garlic kanina. Then, we will put our red beans. Usually, ito red beans talaga ginagamit. But, you can use any kind of beans na yung gusto po ninyo or yung paborito po ninyo. Walang problema kasi beans pa din yun. Okay? Pwede din dito sitaw kung gusto po ninyo. And then, next to it is yung sabaw natin kanina. Yun na yung gagamitin nating pang sabaw nitong ating recipe para mas malasa. Actually, hindi ako gumagamit ng any kind of pampalasa. It's just asin ang gamit ko. Wala din akong betchin. Why I said na mayroong twist po ito? Because actually, yung original recipe nito, wala siyang mushrooms. But because I love mushrooms and my kids love mushrooms too, so I put mushrooms in the end. And then, you're good to go. Ganyan lang. Konting pakulo and we are ready to eat. Sana po magustuhan ninyo at try ninyo itong aking recipe na to. It's very tasty. Good luck guys! Bye!